Horizon 4, a game so perfect you can hardly find any bug in it. A game so beautiful it usually gets mistaken for real life. A game that you can customize almost everything, starting from the engine upgrades all the way down to tire pressure and spring stiffness. This is Forza Horizon 4, one of the few games that is truly worth the AAA rating. If you ask people about their opinion on this game, some might say that it's not very good, others might say opposite. But one thing is for sure, this game is damn near perfection. So then, what makes this game so good? Well, it's hard to explain, but I'll try my best to select the features that stand out the most. One of them is the remarkable terrain and level design. But just how do you get such beautiful mountainsides and landscapes in a game that runs so smooth in almost any system? To get good graphics and make it playable in lower end systems require optimization. A lot of optimization. Starting from the simple geometry all the way over to normal map textures. If you have had the chance to play the game yourself, you might have noticed that the textures that are applied into the tire are normal map textures that give the illusion of the tire canals. Implementing that in Unity is very straightforward. First, you get a tire mesh, then apply a normal map texture to it. After spending some time with it, this is what I came up with. But mapping textures is just the tip of the iceberg. Forza, and of course all other games, have a terrain to play on. In Unity, lucky for us, that isn't so hard to achieve. Unity kindly provided us with the terrain tools, which I often describe as a lifesaver. Here, I'll quickly make a landscape that looks somewhat realistic in just a matter of minutes. Then, I'll use the pre-included textures. Adding to the realism are the trees, which help massively on the looks of the game. About adding roads into your map, I've done a tutorial where I explain the process of importing roads as a 3D object into your scene. So then, explaining how Forza works in just one YouTube video is impossible. So in the future, I hope I can explain how other parts of the game work. As always, look after yourself and thank you for all your support.